27.5 into 10, it becomes 275 upon 11. 11 ones are and 11 25s are, right? 2s are and 5s are. So cost price equals to 25. Okay. Now you know the cost price. Right? Getting it? See this problem again. We are only in the halfway. Now we know the cost price. Now what we want? Next selling price is given 25.75. Okay. So SP2 is what? 25.75. It is greater than CP, right? So there is a profit. Yes. What amount of profit? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. 25.75 minus 25, right? That is 0.75. But what we want is, what is the profit percentage? It is asked. So profit percentage equals to profit upon cost price, means 0.75 upon 25 into 100, right? So solve this. This 100, this goes and it becomes 75 upon 25, it becomes 3. So it is 3%. That is the answer. So the question is, what would have been the profit percentage if it would have been sold for 25.75? So the answer is 3%. These two problems were heavy. You study them again. We'll continue the remaining problems in the next video. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart, useful for you throughout your life for all competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn the tables within span of 3 months. But do it with a discipline on a daily basis. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.